Hello and welcome friends on our lecture number 25, and today we are going to go through the solution for the topic we gave in our earlier lecture, celebration of any festival, and we chose Diwali as the celebration, and we are going to give the solution out of the points and clues that we gave in our earlier lecture, and according to that we made three passages. You must have also done some work, and you also must have tried to make some sentences on your own using the points and clues in our earlier lecture. So guys, before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel, and those friends who are new to our channel, I also request them to go to the playlist section of our channel and start learning from lecture 1, and it will be really very effective. Learn one lecture for one day only. For the whole day you can revise and reread the lectures, you can make notes and follow the instructions and practice according to those instructions, and this way you can learn really very effective English communication skills, writing, speaking, and all the things. If I talk about today's passages, there are three passages in today's lecture, and the first passage is in front of your screen. It is on your screen, and the main thing about these passages are they are all from one single tense, simple present tense, and still there are a lot of varieties in them, using different rules of double verb, single verb, after, while, and before. So this is the way we can write and speak in English, and using the grammatical tools that we have available. So you can refer to our earlier lectures as well for those things, and if you want to repeat me for the pronunciations, then I'm going to repeat after you. Diwali comes on the new moon day of Kartik month of Hindu year. We celebrate Diwali in memory of Lord Sri Ram. We light up lamps and decorate homes with rangoli. On Diwali day, people go to have darshan in temples after getting up early. They cook delicious recipes in meals at home. All wear new clothes on the day. So guys, this is how you can have a set of sentences as a whole paragraph, and you can practice writing and speaking on your own. I am giving you these passages not to mug them up or not to prepare them as they are, but this is just for your guideline, that this is how you can create sentences and use various structures as well. So I am moving ahead guys on the next screen for the second passage of today's topic, celebration of festival Diwali. So let's move ahead guys, and the second screen is there, and you have another screen and another passage which involves the actions and activities of children. Children fire crackers on Diwali. They have fun while firing crackers. The schools and colleges give children Diwali vacation too. They perform many activities in the vacation. They go to travel with family. The government also gives holiday to its employees. Therefore, people celebrate the festival of Diwali with their families. So here guys, we can see that how the rules of after, while, double verb have been used over here. And if you see the beginning of the sentences, all the beginnings are not similar and same, and they have been given various subjects, right? Like they, the schools and colleges, they again, there are several they, the government there, people. So all these things make it different than a normal or primary level text or speech. So guys, you can note down these passages in your notebook and try to make another sentences like this. You can make a different whole topic of a different festival celebration apart from Diwali. You can create and write or speak any about the celebration of any festival over here in your notebooks. And if you have any concerns, any queries, or any doubts, you can always comment in comment section, and I would reply you as soon as possible guys. So let's move ahead on the third passage of Diwali celebration, and we would be able to see more inclusion, more involvement of others. So here it is about our how we celebrate, but still we can include and accommodate others as doers of celebrating Diwali. So I repeat you, I I'm going to repeat after you. I also like Diwali much. I wait for it every year because I get to eat many sweets in Diwali. We all family members celebrate it together. I help my mom in cleaning and decorating home before Diwali comes. People rush into the markets for shopping. We all feel glad by celebrating Diwali. It is my favorite festival. So, guys, I hope this is a good example for you that how an effective text or communication can be designed, and you can add more varieties in our coming lectures. We are going to learn more sentences structures, more tenses as well, more grammatical issues as well, topics, sorry, grammatical topics as well. So you can add much more variety after learning all those sentences, guys. So thank you very much, guys, for joining us today. At last, I would again request you to subscribe our channel, and thank you very much for joining us today and your support.